Welcome to Ameya channel. Today we are going to study class 9th number system part 3. There in that part we are going to study how to solve questions related to rational numbers. Okay. Now rational number related non-occurring, non-terminating and that is non-recurring, non-terminating part we are going to do. That is operations on real number we will be doing today. Fine. So now first part of the question which we will do will be exactly about terminating non-repeating. Terminating non-repeating. Okay. So first pattern question for today, terminating non-repeating. Ma'am, can you explain what are complex numbers? Merunisa, complex numbers are imaginary numbers. Okay. Like if someone will give you root under -3, it is exactly called as complex number. It will be written as, yes beta, it will be written as root 3i. So root 3i is a complex number. What is root 3i? Root 3i is a complex number. Okay. Now let's go back to our content. Type by type, I will explain everything. NCERT question also we will finish. Okay. Don't worry about anything. Now first work is questions based on terminating and non-repeating. I repeat, questions based on questions based on terminating and non-repeating beta. Okay, so first question I'm giving you, you have to tell the answer. Okay, so first question, first pattern, convert 31 by 8 into decimals. Okay, now you can use long division method also, and you can use that base method what I told you. If 8 is there, you have to multiply it with 125. If base 2 is there, then you have to multiply with 5. If base 4 is there, then you have to multiply with 25. If base 8 is there, then you have to multiply with 125. If base 16 is there, then you have to multiply it with 625, top and bottom. So this, please kindly note down this logic. Very good. Keshav is telling 125. Okay, Avinash is giving the answer 3.875. Okay, anyone else? Give answer. Start. Why you are losing energy? Be energetic. Solve fast. You are taking this much time. You should not take this much time. You should not take this much time, beta. Try hard. Okay, Shiva Naresh is telling 8.875. So I got two different answers. Meronisha 3.875. Okay, Shiva Naresh is again typing 3.875. I think typing mistake. Jiva 3.875. Okay, okay. So that means what? 31 and 8 is there. So we will go by using long division method. 8 will be exactly dividing 31. So 3.875. Correct. All of you are correct. Krishna correct. Divyashri is correct. Everyone is correct. Super. Fantabulous work. God bless you all. So beta, now in shortcut way, 31 by 8 is there. That means we will multiply it with 125 down, 125 up. Then here, since 8 is there, 8 means triple 2. So that means 000 will come. 3 times you have multiplied 555, so 000. Now only one work you have to do. 125, 31. So 521573. That is 3875. Now 3 decimal. 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, you are going to put decimal. So 3.875. When you will see the video again and again, you will see one thing: decimal placement is very important. So if one more time I'm explaining, if 4132 is there and denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there, then how to write it? First start counting, beta. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. And here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put 2 extra zeros. Very good, Shiva Naresh. Okay, someone else has given name, it got up. Kanishka has given answer, Shiva Naresh has given, Ashwin has given. So answer will become 0.004132. Correct, absolutely correct answer. Super. Ashwin is also correct. Wow, they have started giving answers so fast. Avinash also given answers. Everyone gave answer correct. That is 0.00, because beta 6 are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 digits are there. I have given denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So Jiva is correct. Okay, Divyashri raised hand. Avinash is correct. Meronisha, everyone is correct now. Fine, super. So count the number of zeros nicely. That is what. Small mistake, you will be punished. Punished means beating, no. Cutting score. Score is very important here. People will never, the reality of life is, people never judge you by your knowledge. They will judge you by your score. Okay. So if we want to show that we are knowledgeable, we have to show best score. See this. Okay. Next one. Next question. Now this time I'll see how much minute. Within 1 minute, let's see who can solve and show me the answer. Within 1 minute. Challenge to you. So ready, everyone? Question is, convert 41 by 4 into decimal. Time starts now. I don't want to miss. Who will be solving first? I want to see. Ashwin, 10.25. Shivanare second. Keshav third. Avinash fourth. Mirnisa fifth. Avinash sixth. Krishna seventh. Jiva eighth. This is what Divyashri. No, ninth. Vishal's 10th. So till 10th. Okay. So you think about what level pressure was you were handling. Yes, Kanishka. That means what? But you missed it here. You have to come within. Yogita, correct only, beta. Kanishka, correct. Vishal, correct. All of you are correct. But time is the important point. Okay. So you have to solve within time. So beta, what is more precious is time. 41 by 4. Long division method. Easiest one. Or we will multiply it with 25. It will come 10.25, directly writing. Correct. But time went. The person who solved first and second and third, that they saved so much time. You think they typed also fast, they solved also fast. And one thing more, don't use calculator, don't use anything. Use your brain. If your brain will work as a calculator, na, all competitions you will break without difficulty. Okay. So next pattern. Ready everyone? Enjoying the class? Okay. Now what I will do is, I will give you decimal. You have to convert it into P by Q form. Convert. And your time starts now. Cancel. Simplest way. Keshav cheating. Keshav, it's cheating. You have to convert it in simplest way. I didn't got the correct answer. Simplest. I want simplest one. So that their cofactor, they will be co-primes. Vishal, wrong. No, beta, it's not correct. Avinash, 19 by 4, I got first one. Next, see who can give next answer. Others, I am not telling your answers. So, 19 by 4, Keshav, Ashwin, Jiva, 19 by 4, Kanishka, 19 by 4, Avinash, 19 by 4. Avinash, 19 by 4. Okay, let's solve. Okay, doubt. I will clear the doubt, beta. Now, Krishna, look here. How to solve this question? Everyone, focus here. 4.25 is there. Beta, after decimal, how many points are there? After decimal, how many numbers are there? Two numbers. So, we will cut the decimal and we will write two zeros. How many numbers? That many zeros will go down. So, Keshav, you were correct. Very good, Naresh. Very good, Avinash. But beta here, now 425 by 100 is there. Now use 5 table. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, and then 10. Now again one more time, 5 1s are 5. Then if 5 1s are 5 is there, then how many left? 3 5, 5 7s are 35. Yes or no? 4. Now Kanishka got answer 17 by 4. 17 by 4 is the correct answer. Now you've understood what you have to do? Okay. Fight. Fight. Don't give up. Have that attitude of fighting. See, if someone will give you 0.3115, that means after decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when decimal will go, it will be 3115 by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Correct, Avinash. I want everything, all these shortcuts, whatever I taught, na, just note down in your note. Okay, these techniques, na, see the video after class and note down each minute details. Because you are preparing for competition, and competition preparation cannot start in 12th itself. It starts from 9th itself. 9th is the apt time to start competition. Okay, so now tell me this answer. How many zeros will be there down? You have to tell number of zeros. How many zeros will be there in down? Denominator. Down means denominator. Understand this. Hey. Avinash, not now. I have not given question. Just wait for me to give the question. Ready, everyone? How many zeros will be there in the denominator when decimal will go? Very good, Ashwin, Krishna, Kanishka, Meronisha, Jiva, Vishal, Avinash. How many digits are there, beta? That many zeros. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there, so 7 zeros will be there. So when decimal will cut, it will come 81432176 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. I hope you might have understood. Very good. Anyone having doubt, ask now itself, beta. Anyone doubt is there? Okay, super. So ready for competition? Very good, beta. Ready for competition? Yes. Question is, convert Avinash, you did the same mistake. Simplest form, beta, simplest form. Write the answer in P by Q integers, co-primes. (451 by 20), Maronisha is telling. Vishal, 451 by 20, Avinash, 451, Ashwin, Divyashri, 451 by 20. Kanishka, 451 by 20. Krishna, 451 by 20. Jiva, 451 by 20. Where is Naresh? Naresh, 451 by 20. That means that I think it is the correct answer. Let's see. 22.55 is there. So when decimal will cut two zeros, after decimal two digits, so two zeros. Now we will use 5 table. It is coming 2255 by 100. So 520, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Ah, super. Everyone is correct. Understood. So now we have learned two techniques. For non-terminating, listen to me very nicely. No, sorry, for terminating, non-repeating, two pattern questions are there. One is convert into decimal. Second is convert decimal into P by Q. And both method you have learned? Yes or no? Tell me. One pattern fully over. Now we will go for another pattern. Very good. P by Q to decimal and decimal to P by Q form. Fabulous work, guys. Fabulous. Super. Now next one. Get ready. Non-terminating, repeating. Beta, for non-terminating repeating, I will give you a clue. That clue you have to pick. The easiest question, first we will convert P by Q into decimal and decimal into P by Q form. Fine. So easiest one first we will start. Converting P by Q into decimal. For that simple questions we will take if 31 by 7 is there. Use long division method and convert it into decimal. So first I am solving for you. Look here, beta. Till it will not start repeating. Till then you have to solve it for this method. Okay. So first one I am doing for you. See very nicely what you have to do. 7 4s are 28. 3. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. So I'm continuing this one here. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. Now look here, beta. That's why very cleverly I have taken this one there. Now you see 30 30 came. Now after this, if you will repeat, everything will come same. Very good, Keshav. 428, 571 will have. 4 will not have. 4 will not have. 4 will not have. Where you are going to put bar? Because again, it will come 428, 428, 571. So 428, 571, 428, 571, 571. 1 will also come, beta. Yes, the correct one is, Jiva is correct. 428. Jiva, you have written 28. Divyashri, 428,571 and 428,571 will have only bar. This one will have bar only. Correct, Avinash. Correct, Ashwin. Okay. After decimal, bar will be there. Correct, Naresh. Correct, Jiva. Now you are correct, Jiva. Understood how to do it, beta? Ready for competition? Everyone is ready. Let's see who will solve it first. Question. You have to convert it into decimal. Okay. I'm not writing the question, directly writing. That's it. Find the decimal form. Okay. I have to see those who have given it first. Okay, the first answer is given by first three answers. I'm going to see first. Okay, Avinash gave 2.289. After that, who gave? Okay, there is a very long list this time. Competition is very tough, by. Okay, after that, Vishal. Then Naresh. Okay, Naresh has given 28571 28571 That is 28571 will have bar. Before that, Vishal gave 28571 That means he is telling 2 will have bar. No, 2 will not have bar. I think Naresh is correct, Vishal. Because look here, he wrote two content back to back, which one is having repetition. So if you are writing 285714, then 285714, that will be considered correct. When you are writing 2 and you are putting bar on 2, that means 2 is also repeated. So after that, second one who is correct is Keshav. He wrote 285714 bar. Either you repeat the number 2 times and say that bar is coming, or repeat 1 time. So here again Jiva wrote 2857142. 2 will not be there, beta. Till 4 only will be, just write bar. Naresh, you are correct only. 2 times have repeated, but after that you said bar. So it's not a problem. Okay. Now 2 will not come. Vishal is telling. Yeah, Vishal itself is again telling that it will not be there. Okay, then you children have corrected it yourself. Super, beta. This is called a very good effort. You know what mistake you have done, and you itself is ready to correct it. Awesome, beta. God bless you all. Okay, Kanishka, I'll repeat bit. I'll explain how to do it. Okay, Kanishka, let's see. 7 will divide 16. 7 twos are 14. Now 2 went down, beta. Now put a decimal, it will become 0. So 7 twos are 14 again. Now this time 6 will come. This decimal will give 0. 7 8 are 56. Now 4 came, 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 came, 0. 7 sevens are 49. 1 came, 0. 7 ones are 7. 3 came, 0. 7 fours are 28. 2 came, beta. Okay, now 2 came. Now initially where was first 2? Here. Again 2 came. Okay, that means now everything will get repeated, because once you will take 20, again you have to write 2, again you have to write 8, again you have to write 5 7 1 4. So this digit either you can write 2 times, and that is exactly coming for bar you want to represent, or you can write it as 2.285714. After this all the digits are getting repeated, so put direct bar. Kanishka, now understood, beta? Long division, correct only. You all are working as a team. It is a very, very good thing. Very nice. Healthy competition you are holding, and you are exactly trying your level best. That's a very good thing, beta. Super. Fine. So can I give you another question? Ready, everyone? Do it. Keshav first, Vishal second, Ashwin third, Avinash, Divyashree, Avinash, Kanishka, Vishal, Krishna, Jiva, Merunisa, Avinash, 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 Avinash. How many times you will send? Okay. Jiva minus 2.7 bar. Let's see. So beta 9 will divide 25. No need to write here minus. Or 25 is there now. So 9 ones are 9. Avinash is telling 254. What for 254, beta? Yeah, it's 25. Correct only. So 7 will go down. Again 9 7 just 63. Again 7 7 7 7. But since the question is given this one, so it will come minus 2.7 bar. Correct only, no problem. Correct. Super beta. Minus 2.7 bar. Very, very good work. Very, very, very good work. Okay, children, listen. This Saturday, you will have oral test. Physics oral test. I will orally ask question from you. So whatever you have studied, whatever notes you have written, from there you prepare nicely. From each children, I will ask three questions. So that will be technically very good questions. Okay. So because beta, if I will tell you to write written test, it will not be applicable. So oral test, you represent whatever you have learned. Okay. Now let's question. Sorry, next question. Let's have another question. Ready, everyone? Fast. Plus 41 by 11. Okay, Maranisa 3.72 bar. Avinash 3.72 bar. Keshav 3.72 bar. First three places taken by three children. Divyashri 3.72 bar. Krishna Ashwin 3.72 bar. Everyone is getting the same answers. Jiva Shri Naresh 3.72 bar. Okay. Avinash 3.72 bar. Very good. Very good. You are keeping the competition alive. Super. Super. So now 11 will divide 41. 11 threes are 33. So again 80 came. So here itself we have to stop. 3.72 bar. Very good. So we have learned more things today. Now next one is we have learned how to convert P by Q into decimal. Means, and here in decimal bar is coming. Okay. Now how to convert this number, decimal number having bar into P by Q form. Okay. So that is next trick. So next part we are going to, yes beta, we are going to study that one now. Are you enjoying? Maths is not at all tough beta. It is very easy. Now beta, if someone will tell you to convert this number, this number, this number, this number. Oh, then what answer you are going to write? 0.1 to the bar. Tell me the answer. 0.1 to the bar. 10 by 9. 10 by 9. Why beta 10 by 9? 1 by 10. 10 by 1. I am successful in confusing you. You know what? Avinash 1 by 10. Ashwin is telling 10 by 1. Some are not at all answering because they know it is not there. It is not the correct one. Now look here, beta. How to convert it? When we are writing, okay, 0.1, then first what we have to do, we have to take it equal to x because beta 1 is getting repeated. Since 1 is getting repeated, when we are writing 0.1, That means that it is coming 0.11111111. How to stop it? So what we will write? Let x is equal to 0.11111111. Okay, then multiply 10 on both sides. Then it will become, take it as equation 1. This is rough, I am telling. Tomorrow again I am going to teach this one. So this one will become 10x is equal to, now 10 will multiply both sides. When you are multiplying 10 on this equation 1, then 10 will be multiplying on both sides. Okay, so here this will become 10x, here it will become 10 into this. So one decimal 1 will shift. Equation 2, subtracting equation 2 by 1, minus, so 10 minus 1 will become 9x. Here in minus, all this 1 will get cancelled, so it will come 1. So x will become 1 by 9. Leave something for tomorrow. Tomorrow you will enjoy this. So 0.1 will come 1 by 9. 0.2 bar will come 2 by 9. 0.3 bar will come 3 by 9. 0.4 bar will become 4 by 9. Kanishka didn't understood. I'll tell you beta again one more time how to solve. So this is just a simple part I have showed you. We have less than 1 minute today. That's why I'm not starting this concept. I just gave intro of this. So tomorrow in maths, we are going to study how to handle bar and how to convert